On that one, on that one again.
What is that one again? Who said this challenge?
Jesus, now I say I can't give me.
Another thing other than that. What did they
My
do?
wife cook me too much oil. But I cannot say our food is not my favorite. I can but too much oil, but I can't say. Why you not tell me?
You stop telling me.
Which kind of stuff? Why you not tell me? Our food is my favorite poison. I will never leave. Jesus.
Real married fights in a 2-minute drama. One lesson we go save your marriage. Funny, relatable, therapy but cheaper. Daddy gay and Smally TV. New episode daily. No be like a real life.
Okay. Let's see. It is second give me so. This one goes sweet too. That? Swipe your phone challenge. Okay. Daddy K. Lare. Ogesi lo. Daddy K.
Smally waiting now.
Come. Don't set.
What's
Come
happening?
on. Swipe your phone challenge. Now the race so.
Another shop.
Now the only shop that be your own. I beg.
Food no day. Are they hungry?
Okay, not worry, food there. I will give you food later. Then we'll do this challenge first. If it's challenge, if it's sure for you. Swipe your phone challenge.
Swipe your phone.
If it's sure for you, more do one.
Why you go say if it's sure for me? I don't get anything to hide now.
I know now. Now we guys then we change our soul now.
But I'll call you my phone.
Now.
For how many minutes?
For just 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. You know, see, it go dey very interesting. No eating anything, no cockroach in the cupboard. Everything will go come out. You understand?
You search the phone. You search it.
Yeah. Now to search everything now. Huh? To search everything now.
Take, I don't get anything to hide.
I trust you, my husband. I trust you. Okay.
But after
go. And you shop, why not? After everything, you shop. Shop. With my go. My go.
What did they go?
My go there.
What did they go? What did they go now? I just normal this thing. What did they go? Me I research you want to. What did they go?
How to make your wife the search how to make your wife to stop shouting. Huh?
And now because you dey shout now, just try search.
You dey search how to make your wife to stop shouting.
You dey shout now, you don't dey shout. You dey shout now, how to search now to know how to.
Okay.
Na normal search.
Me dey talk that one. How to add the receipt of iPhone 17 Pro Max.
You see that one for the search? How to hide something.
Not be the show so. I dey carry talk.
Don't be na just normal research una dey do, no be anything serious. Na just normal research.
Hey, Mama.
Wait for you wey dey talk sef.
Wait, na never your turn. Wait. I go TikTok.
Wait, you wan open TikTok?
No, everything. Searching me.
You search TikTok?
Everything. You are searching everything today. Okay. Jesus. Osalopwa.
What do you do TikTok? What happen? What do you see? What is for TikTok?
Look yash. Look breast.
Where?
See,
Not be me dey search am o.
When I go now, I got you. They call you. See, I'm full.
Na TikTok dey pop them out.
After you don't look this one, you come and say I'm full.
But not be me dey search. Na TikTok dey pop them out for us.
Man.
Not be me o. I no just carry go TikTok come dey go search yarn.
Okay.
No.
Man.
Na TikTok dey pop them out.
Okay.
Not be me. You wey dey talk wait first.
Waiting. What do you see?
Make her put your own. Make her put your this thing.
My waiting.
Wait, I know the app we always use. Wait, let's go to Amazon first. Amazon.
You don't see anything.
Wait, go Amazon.
You don't see anything.
Wait. Amazon, look.
Waiting.
Yeah. 87 items for your cat, your basket. You know buy anyone.
No, I.
You know, so you just a shop, you know they buy.
Na I shopping na I shopping.
Who shop be I shopping?
Na I shopping.
I shopping.
I shopping.
87.
Our shopping.
No one bought.
No, nah. We dey use I dey shop.
Jesus.
You understand? But no dey die.
Now you dey do window shopping.
I shopping.
At least na free now.
No see am.
A window shopper. Wait. See another one.
Which one again?
Wait. Things that the K does that annoys me. Number 42.
Only better. Now that's why they talk. You don't read 43 oh. Now yesterday I start.
See what you dey search for Google.
Now yesterday I start.
See what you dey write. You say things wey that the K dey do the best. 43 now.
But today I see today I don't reach 43.
Jesus.
Hey, they told that one. She 43 ne. I tag money. I have the right of glass. I not see.
Wait. Make I go your group chat. On our group chat for WhatsApp. Make I go there. Go check group chat.
Me also go your own too. Make me go. Hey, what's up?
More go the
what's
group
up?
chat. Wait, more go the group chat. Wait, more go your group chat. More see. Jesus. See what?
Waiting.
My husband thinks washing one plate is romance. I told him one plate is insult. Need whole kitchen. Jesus. So you think say for me to wash one plate na insult?
Na guest talk.
See what you and your friends go dey talk. Jesus.
Yes, na guest talk. You know say if guests and guests just dey talk na, let them dey gossip about me. Na guest talk. You know they do am to. You know they do am to.
Jesus.
Okay, wait. Now me go put your own. Maybe you go your WhatsApp voice.
What? Nothing dey there. What you be that one?
Really? Guys, my wife said not tonight again. I gave massage. Made tea. Still not tonight. When does tonight become tonight?
You say for the chat.
Daddy, you still go tell your friends this one. If na they will be Betty. What be a time you are?
Nah, just boys talk.
Boys talking, my boys will talk. You wanna know my love it.
Nah, boys talk.
No. This is not good at all. Another one, hey, wow. Another one again.
What if that one again? What? Who said this challenge?
Jesus, now I say I can't give me.
What? Another thing not there now. What you did?
My wife cook with too much oil. But I cannot say her food is not my favorite. But too much oil, but I can't say. Why you not tell me?
We feel stop the challenge now.
Which can stop? Why you not tell me? Her food is my favorite poison. I will never leave. Jesus.
That one did the chat.
You called my food poison.
Now just chat with the chat. Now we just dey talk. Not be just normal talk. We just dey talk. Okay. I call your food poison. I not see the eater. No me see the yes. No me see come you the answer. I no go shop.
I no expect one from you at all. I no expect am at all.
Hey, make we go your own chat.
I no expect this one at all.
Make we go your own chat. Let's go to your own chat. Now, Jesus. See you when they talk. Oh, see what you write. See what you write now. See, you say, see message when you write. Go give your mama. Your mama. You say, mommy, marriage is hard this month. You just listen to yourself. Oh. Marriage is hard this month. Sometimes I want to come home but then e makes me laugh and I stay. Can you imagine wetin
Who write that
go
one?
get mama? Na you write am go get mama na say na. So you really wanted to go home?
All wife does that now. Mostly sometimes you just make me vex. But after I constantly look your good part, you understand? I just go look your good part. I just say, okay, now I stay. Oh, no wife no dey complain. All wives dey complain. Just that say, you know, e get some where they touch me sometimes. I just see.
Be like say this challenge we go stop this challenge.
Maybe like
we go stop am
I
because
stop there.
not be everything wey abeg give my phone, take your phone.
Give me.
We go stop this challenge.
Too
The
much,
challenge no
too much.
e no good.
No, not good.
No go do better challenge. No stop am.
Not good at all.
Challenge
It's
this.
good like this. But my food na real poison.
I wan go shop.
You wan chop poison?
No be poison, I wan shop.
You wan chop poison?
No be poison. Your food no be poison. Na just talk, we just dey talk. No be say na poison. No be poison. Yeah, no vex, no be poison. Na just normal boys talk na. No be poison. Na poison na fresh like this.
I tire for you o.
No na. Na just that say sometimes the salt dey too much. You want the salt too much, I tell you na you just reduce am small. That's all. Na only the salt na. If no be the salt, wetin no be the salt. The oil good o, oil good. Oil see, oil level perfect. Na just the salt. Once the salt, you understand? Just reduce the salt. That's all. Yeah.
Go shop.
Ma go shop.
Go shop. Make salt. Go shop. Later go tell your friends say you eat too much salt. Not be oil this time. Too much salt.
Ma go shop.
Go shop. Well done.
Real married fights in a 2-minute drama.